Good morning, I'm Beth from Visualz, and I'm here today to tell you about a few tools that's going to immediately make your life easier. I know that many of you go out to the schools and into the community to provide nutrition and health education, and it can be a challenge to bring everything along that you need to bring. So, the first thing I want to show you is this great vinyl tote bag for posters. So you can carry all your posters in here. It keeps everything together. It keeps it dry. So if it's raining out and you have to dash from the car into the building, everything stays dry. So in the poster bag, you can pull out our tabletop poster display and set it up immediately. Within a minute, not even a minute, you can have all of your teaching points set to go. So you can literally teach from these posters. These posters just slip into these vinyl pockets. I'll slip one in for you right now so you can see how easy it is. So if you're doing a talk on the new nutrition labels, you can include that as one of your posters. And then next week, if you're presenting on a different topic, you can change it out. There we go. So, you walk into a classroom, you walk into a conference room, and you set up your posters, and you can easily now use this as a display. This is also great for health fairs. And then when you're all done, it's as simple as going like this, putting your handouts, putting your posters that are left over right back into the bag, and being on your way. I also love teaching with this. Instead of using a PowerPoint or just giving a handout, I think it's nice to have talking points that you can use on this tool. This one happens to be a banner on the new nutrition labels, and it sets up very quickly. You can pull out the banner, probably pulling that out first makes more sense to get everything out. Here's the banner. The case is almost like a fishing carry case, very light. I can carry it with one finger. So you set up the banner stand on the bottom. You put the stick in right here. You put another stick in. Unfurl the banner. And you are set to go within seconds. And this banner matches the handouts that you can then give to your clients exactly, so that you can give the clients the handouts so they can read along while you're teaching from the banner. So there you go. It's very indestructible and really simple to use. So these are the matching handouts that you can give out to your clients when you're talking about nutrition fact labels. Tearing down is just as simple. I won't go through that, but basically you just unhook it, roll it back up, put it back in the bag, and you're all set to go. So if you have any questions, check the link below or give me a call and I'll be happy to walk you through it.